Today we'll be discussing how to recover old WhatsApp messages, even those that are 1 or 4 years old, without any backup. Let's get started. First, let's understand why recovering old messages can be tough. WhatsApp doesn't save messages indefinitely and without a backup. It can seem impossible, but don't worry, there are few methods. Our first method is checking your device's local storage, especially if you're using Android. You can simply go to your file manager, and on internal storage you can find WhatsApp. If there is WhatsApp, tap on it and open the databases folder. Look for older messages file that can be named like message store, the year, month, date, and tap on it. If you find an older file, proceed to the next step. Next, copy the latest file and rename it to msgstore. Next, you'll need to reinstall WhatsApp to restore the messages from your local storage. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device by pressing on it and clicking on remove device. Go to the Play Store and reinstall it. During setup, choose the option to restore from local storage when prompted. Another method is to check if your chats are archived. Scroll down and at the above you'll find the archived chats. Tap on it. If none of these steps work, you as your last resort is to contact WhatsApp support. Visit the WhatsApp help support center. Submit a request explaining your situation like this, and here you can describe whatever reason that you are facing, and that's it. While recovering old messages without a backup can be tricky, these methods give you a fighting chance.